Hello, in this video, we're focusing on the practical concepts that you can actually apply in the real business world. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Welcome, and thank you for joining us today. We'll be walking through important insights and diagnostics that help evaluate how ready an acquisition is from the buyer's perspective. This will give you a clearer view of what to expect and how to prepare effectively. Let's get started. The Acquisition Readiness Score Diagnostic is a tool that helps leadership teams, boards, and advisors understand how prepared their organization is for growth through acquisitions. It provides a clear readiness score along with a detailed analysis across the entire acquisition lifecycle, including strategy, origination, funding, due diligence, execution, and integration. This helps identify any capability gaps that could cause problems during a buy-side acquisition, allowing teams to focus on fixing these issues early rather than during a live deal. By using this diagnostic regularly, every 3 to 6 months or ahead of new acquisitions, teams can track improvement and have structured discussions about their acquisition strategy and risks. The diagnostic also benchmarks strengths and weaknesses, making it easier to prioritize where to put resources and efforts for a smoother acquisition process overall. Let's continue by taking a closer look at the Acquisition Readiness Score from the buy side. This score helps organizations evaluate how prepared they are for growth through acquisitions by assessing key areas like strategy alignment, resource availability, and integration capabilities. Understanding this score allows businesses to identify strengths and pinpoint areas that need improvement, ensuring a smoother acquisition process and better chances of success. It serves as a useful diagnostic tool to guide decision-making and prioritize actions before moving forward with any acquisition. If you're interested in arranging an acquisition buy-side readiness score diagnostic, the cost is £1,250 per company, plus VAT if applicable. To move forward or get more details, you can contact David A.C. Whitaker directly by email at david@shareholder-value.co.uk or by phone at +4479 49008093. This assessment will help you understand how prepared your business is for acquisitive growth and identify areas that may need attention before moving ahead. If you found this video useful, there's plenty of more business and finance videos on the channel that you'll enjoy watching and get great practical value from. In the meantime, thanks for watching.